Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look using iced plum frosting and hot chocolate. If you want to see how I did this, then carry on watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Al0haGlitz channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial to show you this look, and this is using 3 Al0haGlitz shades. It's using frosting, hot chocolate and iced plum, all from Meg's collection. So yeah, I thought I would show you how to recreate this. Super simple, super easy. It took me about 5 minutes. So as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done. I also have a base down. Just used concealer and a flat brush. I'm just gonna tap that down because it creased a bit. So I'm going to start by using a domed crease brush just because this will pack on the colour really nicely. And I'm going in with frosting, which is this shimmery pink shade. This is from Meg's collection. And I'm just going to start putting this through the socket of my eye. And I'm then going to take a blending brush and just blend the edges. I'm then just going to take a bit of concealer and do a semi-cut crease. I'm just patting this on in a semi-cut crease kind of thing, so just kind of this kind of shape. I'm going to pat out the edges with my finger. I'm also going to go back in with the brush that we used for frosting, just along that edge. I'm then going to take some iced plum, which is this colour here. It's an iridescent purple and kind of green blue glitter. I think it's really, really pretty, and I'm actually just going to take this on my finger. I'm just going to pat this on top of where the concealer is. Then on the same domed brush, I'm going to take some hot chocolate, which is a shimmery brown colour. I'm just going to start this on the outer portion of the lid. And then I'm just going to go back to the blending brush and blend the edges of where that meets. I'm then just going to clean up the edge. And this bit's optional, but I'm going to apply some white eyeliner. To finish off, I'm just going to take a bit more of frosting, which is the pink one, just under the eyes.